What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a swing trade, GME. It's a big one, but not as big as it could have been. Check it out. Also, remember, guys, do me a quick favor. Go to hustlewithjessew.com and sign up for the newsletter. It's a weekly newsletter. Sign up for that. All right. That way you're always on alert, basically, on anything I post up that's brand new. It's just once a week. And I have some news coming up in the next, I want to say, 45 to 60 days that I think you're really, really going to like. So I want you to know about it. In order for you to know about it, you're going to have to hit that newsletter. So hustlewithjessew.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description, a link in the comment section, and you see it here on the screen itself. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this little recap here on GME. I had a lot of big hopes for GME, and I'm telling you right now, GME is not over. It's definitely not over. I'm going to continue keeping it on watch, and if I have a shot at getting back in to it in a level where I feel comfortable, I will most definitely do it because everything is risk reward when it comes to trading. Risk reward. Now, I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm a little disappointed. It took the wins out of my sale a lot, and it kind of I'm not trading is one of those things that no matter I've noticed, especially once you become consistent, no matter how much money you make, if the trade plan itself didn't go how you wanted it and you were forced to make a change mid trade, it can make you feel bad. Like it can make you feel bad. Um, because I don't know, just because it's not that you were wrong, but if a variable changed, a variable that you had not accounted for, it can really mess with your mind. And not in the sense of confidence. Nope. Not in that in the least bit. Because like I said to start the video, GME, I closed it out today, and I'd easily jump right back into it given the correct opportunity based on risk reward. Um, I don't know, you just kind of get down about it. And I'm sure a lot of you watching this right now can relate. And I hope you see it because I feel it. And I'm typically the type of person that, how I feel is what you're going to see typically. And I'm pretty disappointed today on GME. And you'd be like, oh, Jesse, but why? Look at this thing. It hit a high of 1587. I know it did. And I was getting ready to put, my first profit target up over 16. And then out of nowhere, some guy in a hedge fund for sure put out an order that slammed this thing all the way back down here. And I mean, I didn't stop out down here or anything like that. I stopped out. Where did I stop out? I did stop out somewhere down here. I don't know which candle it was on. Regardless, I stopped out of it. I still booked a real good profit. But when you think about the plan I had, I was going to sell some over 16, just a quarter. And then I had targets of 18 and 20. When I do my math, if those targets would have been hit, ideally today I thought I'd hit my first target after this big push on big volume. Ideally today I thought I'd hit my first target. And then maybe the follow-up targets in the next day, tomorrow's Friday, and maybe Monday or Tuesday for the rest of it. When I do my math, it would have been a $4,000 trade. It would have been a $4,000 trade. So it would have been epic. Now, I did take some profit off this on Monday. I sold some shares and I sold some calls that I had and booked about 429, 430 bucks on Monday on it. And then today I booked another over 1,100 bucks on it. So, I'm easily up over 1,400 bucks on the trade, almost 1,500 bucks. But I mean, I still left on the table like another $2,000, 1,800 bucks, 1,700 bucks. So it's pretty disappointing when you factor it in that way, because it could have been a $4,000 winner. Now I can still jump back into it. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over the trade plan with you so you see what it was. And I'm going to show you the ask because it's still there, that guy. So, the story behind this is that GME was actually not doing well, and this stock looked like it was going to get bankrupt. Had a deal with Microsoft, and because of that, it squeezed out a lot of shorts. So the short position on this thing is humongous, and because people are expecting a big short squeeze off of that news and the technical pattern on the chart itself. So here, before we do me a quick favor, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit the notification bell, and make sure you check out the link's in the description section. Webull, download the app, fund your account with $100. You're going to get 3 free stocks. And also Trade Ideas, my scanners that I use every single day, down there, 15% off coupon code along with my link. Now, here you go. Go over to the 60-minute chart. It's super simple, guys. Cup. You see it there? Cup. That's a cup. That's the handle. That's the breakout. When you break out of a cup and handle pattern like this, I want to make sure that we hold over this pivot, which is 15 bucks basically, okay? Which is 15 bucks. I don't want to see it break underneath it. I don't care. Like, it went all the way almost to 16 bucks. Like, I don't care that it did that and pulled back into 15. I don't really care. That's fine. Why? Because I wanted to see it hold that level. However, in this case, you can tell by my mannerism here. You see this right here? Let me see. Let me see if I can get him for you. Where'd he go? You see this right here? You see my mouse? $15.60, 200,000 shares. Yeah, that guy right there with that 200,000 share sell order. When this right here, and look what the action's been since then. Sure, we're holding this 1475, 90 MA area, but I don't know what's going to happen here. And one thing that many of you who have been following me for some time know about me is that I absolutely hate having winning trades turn into losers. But when I saw that we were now holding $15 as support, I had to exit. And I exited, and whatever, man, I made good money. I made over $1 a share, and I had 1,000 shares. Okay. And I made over $1 a share, $1. It's not a problem. My risk on the trade, I was in at 13.79. My risk was 13.50. So, we're talking about at most, because I was giving myself to the 13.40s, obviously. At most, I was going to lose $300-400 at most, and I made 1,000. I made over $1,000. So, and with what I sold on Monday, which was calls and some more shares, I made over $1,400 in the trade, risking $400 max, basically. The risk reward was awesome. But one gets disappointed because, boom. I didn't get the boom I wanted, especially when I was already up here, at 1580s, I was up over $2,000, and I didn't take that profit because I don't trade my P&L, I trade the chart, and I didn't like what the chart did based off of this guy right here with this huge wall that he put up, okay? And it is what it is. So that's what happened with my swing trade. Now, am I done with it? Do I wash my hands of it? Absolutely not. I'm going to keep watching it and see if it gives me a re-entry opportunity. And I'll swing it again. And if it makes me just take smaller profit, at a different level, so be it. I'll just keep adding to it. But at this point, I'm in control. I'm in the driver's seat, and I'm going to keep watching it. And, if it gives me like another setup, I'll get on after it. I'll get on after it. Like if we begin to hold, 1450, and then like when we were holding this 1380s, which is where I jumped in, okay, 1380s, this top, right? All this previous resistance, we began to hold that, and that's where I got in basically. Then, okay, that's where I want to be a player. Not there anymore, but maybe if we still start holding this 1450 to $15 area, maybe that'll be my next entry on it. Maybe, I don't know. But the point is, we can't get too down on ourselves about these type of things. It's still a great trade and a great day. We need to make sure that we keep expectations in control and that we keep watching and analyzing. That's it for me today, guys, on this trade. I just wanted to recap it for you. Let me know how you did, if you were swinging it, if you're still in. Did you see that guy with the 200,000 shares sell order? Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and I'll catch you on the next one.